In this video I'm gonna show you how to quickly change dashboard light on Kia Sorento 2004. So obviously, as you can see, the little lights are all working, but the background white light is not working. So at night I don't see at all this half of the speedometer. First we need to lower the wheel, and after that we need to unscrew two screws here. Okay, and now we have to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Here we have one cable, second cable, third cable. I think I need to unplug them first before being able to take this out. And we probably need to change this one here or this one here. Or maybe both of them, we'll see. Because we're changing one bulb, I'll change all 4 of them because they are old, and so we wouldn't need to do this again sometime in the future. The only thing we need to worry about with some of these cheap LEDs is polarity. So sometimes they wouldn't work, so you need to take them out and rotate, switch the polarity of the bulb and place it back so it would work. Okay, so now 2 of them work and 2 don't, so we need to change the polarity. Take it out. Don't make a mistake and place it back. Now let's try again. 4 lights are working. The job is done. Let's put this thing back. I think something like this. Okay. And then connecting the jacks. Now let's place this thing back in this hole. Okay. So final test before screwing the screws. Everything's working. The only thing that you need to worry about is LED power. How much heat does it produce while working. Try to find the ones that are lower wattage than your original ones. So these ones are 5.5 watts, I think, and the LEDs I found are around 3.5, something like that. Keep in mind that if you're buying cheap Chinese no-name brands, that they usually lie about their wattage and performance and stuff like that. So the job is done. It was very easy. If you find this video helpful, leave a like and I'll see you in the next one.